In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sum in Google Sheets. I prepared a little sheet with a lot of numbers here, and now I'm going to sum them. So the first thing you do is you click into any cell, then you start with the equal sign for the formula. You write sum, S-U-M. You open up the brackets, and now you can enter the values that should be summed. So you can just click and drag here to add a range, and then I close the brackets and I hit enter. So 259, this is the sum of these numbers right here. What you can also do is I go into the sum function, use the sum function again. You can also pick values. You always set the comma in between, and then they are summed. All right, so let's take one more. And now I close the brackets and I hit enter again. So all these values now are summed here. Perfect, it's 5 values. Another thing you can do is when you use the sum function is you can take this range, and then you can also add numbers that you just add in, always separated by a comma, and then you close the brackets and you hit enter. Perfect. So also when I sum right here, of course, I can do that vertically. It already suggests it here. I can just click on it and everything will be summed. I can then drag the formula, and as you can see, it will be moving nicely here. I can also do, of course, is build the sum right here. It suggests it. I click on it and then I just drag it down right here, and I will have the sum for all the rows. And then I can build the sum of the sums by summing this one right here, either horizontally or vertically. Let's say we want it vertically. I'm just going to close the brackets here and hit enter. So this is how to use sum in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, and please give it a like. Thanks.